हेलो साथीहरू, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वर्ल्ड्स ऑफ स्टोरीज विद एआई। आज हामी यस वीडियो मा कक्षा 8 मा हुन्न गए को बेसिक लेवल एग्जामिनेशन BLE 2082 साल को कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट को मॉडल क्वेश्चंस 5 एंड 6 को वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन को सोल्यूशन गर्दै छ। तपाईहरु आंसर कोपीमा नोट गरी हाल्नु फ्रेंड्स। ल अब शुरू गर। सेट 5 को सोल्यूशन। 1. What is network of networks? Internet. 2. What do you call the first page of website? Home page. 3. What is the multimedia? Multimedia is the use of text, images, audio, video and animation together. 4. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. 5. Which device is used to transfer data between networks? Router. 6. What is the name of coding system used in a digital computer? Binary code. 7. What is the extension of a MS Word document? .docx 8. Which key is used to refresh a web page in a web browser? F5. 9. Name any two operating system. Windows and Linux. Thus, what is virtual reality (VR)? Virtual reality (VR) is a computer-generated 3D environment that simulates real-world experience. अब मॉडल सेट 6 को सोल्यूशन हेर्नु भन्दा अगाडि तपाईलाई यो भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गर्नु र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु। ल सुरु गरौँ साथीहरू। Questions यस प्रकार छन्। 1. What are the components of CPU? Name them. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit, CU Control Unit, MU Memory Unit. 2. Name the first electromechanical computer. Juice Z3, built by Conard Juice in 1941. 3. Which computer was firstly used for commercial purpose? UNIVAC Universal Automatic Computer. 4. Which computer is used for measuring physical values? Analog computer. 5. In which generation microcomputer was introduced? 4th generation. 6. What are the types of application software? General purpose software and special purpose software. 7. Differentiate between save and save as. Save updates the current file. Save as create a new file with a different name or location. 8. How many types of system software are there? 4. Operating system, utility software, device drivers, language translator. 9. Write the full form of www World Wide Web. CD compact disc. MAN Metropolitan Area Network. CUI Character User Interface. तपाईलाई भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो कमेन्ट गर्नु र च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु र अर्को सेटको सोल्युसनको लागि कमेन्टमा नेक्स्ट सेट्स सोल्युसन लेख्नु। धन्यवाद।